cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 3 tablespoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon yeast. Mix well. One tablespoon yogurt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 2 tablespoon milk. Knead into a dough. Add water as per require. Rest for 2 hours. 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. Onion finely chopped. Cook until translucent. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon tikka masala. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. 250 gram shredded chicken. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 2 tablespoon oyster sauce. Set aside. Divide in 2 parts. Grease the tray. Add chicken mixture. Pizza cheese. Apply egg yolk. Add black seeds. Apply butter.